In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text using Docusign. Being the leader in electronic signature solutions, Docusign enables you to finalize documents efficiently and comfortably from virtually anywhere. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the official Docusign website. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You can easily spot the login button at the top of the page. Click on it to proceed. Make sure you have your login credentials at hand. Logging in gives you access to your Docusign homepage, where most of the action takes place. Once logged in, navigate to the Docusign home. This is essentially your dashboard, the central hub for all your document management. Here, you can view, manage, and send documents with ease. Now that you're on the homepage, you're one step closer to texting your document. Let's move on to selecting a template. Templates in Docusign are pre-made forms that make your life easier. They help standardize documents, ensuring consistency and saving you valuable time. Now choose a template that fits your needs. Once selected, you'll be asked to add the necessary details to the template. This step involves inputting specific information relevant to your situation or the document's purpose. Take your time to fill out these details accurately, as they form the foundation of your document. After filling in all relevant sections, it's crucial to click Next. This action ensures that all your inputs are saved and you're ready for the next phase. Proceeding, click on the Text feature. When you click this, you'll have the opportunity to insert text into the designated areas of your document. Text fields are useful for adding custom notes or additional information that doesn't fit into the preset template fields. At this stage, exercising precision is important, as this text is what your recipients will see and respond to. This simple and effective method makes managing documents less of a chore and introduces a level of flexibility and personalization to your electronic signatures. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you continue using Docusign for your document handling, these steps will become almost second nature to you. You'll not only save time but also ensure precision and professionalism with every document you send or sign. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to navigate Docusign to text documents, making your digital agreements swift and seamless. Thank you for joining today's session. Happy signing.